guarding force Assam Rifle na sumoy mathau tawdre moy na nga kadawdu mi mapanday laaga bomb phumba phom moy khangdre at their nose itself bomb are being planted, mines are planted. Police strength se police station amada area 2,400 square kilometer, how can they main tawungam di aduna akhoi gi kano si Assam Rifle singi border guarding force sing sina kano moi si they aina dum yeng bada they prefer safe zone area akhoi na dum kamjong da chatpa ukhul da chatpa sing khangani ukhul yaudring mamang da rambu da lambui hai na khang han na khang na ramba adu da check post thami kamjong yaudring mamang da sangsak da check post thami Pungyar yaudring da sangsak da check tawre kasom yaudring da som rei da tawre hongbei da tawre border da tawgada bi tawdana si da civil zone area da kamjong yaudring mamang makta kamjong gi headquarter yaudring mamang da Assam Rifle camp tawre da frisking tawre check tawre peace zone civilian zone area da moin operate tawraga border da tawgada bi tawdre haibne in haibde aduna this is the attention what I want to draw makhoi si tawpham thokpa tawribra aduga maru oibdi kano si they are more interested in checking the timbers, firewoods, port pura chat pasi khatta check tawle. See evidence clearly evidence like the honorable speaker sir. See honorable speaker sir does I copy ama pijage see ama honorable speaker diawande. See tussle between the Assam Rifles and the forest department. Kanana check tawgado bano sineba forest product forest ki department ki thabak do Assam Rifle na tawbagi tasal gi neba se si yan hojik se bhab ta military government gira military government labra na civil government ra bhab ta de border area da pot puba sing puba chathok chachin 144 tawrasu akhoi civil administration da tawgadam how come border area da makhoi na check tawraga u pubu yagni sing pubu yaroi yagni habsi makhoi gi mathau kadi leibraba moi duty ra se asi ain attention draw tawni mu se maru oi bisin aduna yaragadi akhoi gi civil administration si Hajanaba, Hengat Hanaba, Hojiksi, Maru, district administration, Pajana Tabak Suhange, Suhanaba, Akoigi Kamjongi police strength, Kamjong district police strength increased our bureau.